Hello po sa ating lahat. Ito ang memorandum from Carmila Oracion, under Assistant Secretary, Officer in Charge, under Secretary for Learning System. Ito po ay nilabas ng guidelines for the conduct of in-service training for teachers or NSET. So ito po ay kanyang sinabi po dito, the conduct of INSET shall be guided by the primary goal of strengthening teacher competencies for enhanced learning delivery in all classroom and learning centers. Specifically, the INSET shall focus on any of the following key trainings. Ito po yung mga pwedeng training natin sa ating pong kasama dito ang aral, strengthening inclusive instruction, promoting literacy and numeracy. Hindi po nawawala ito, no? Kasi talaga ito yung problem ng ating educational system ngayon, literacy and numeracy. Strategies for developing critical and creative thinking skills. So ito yung ano yung mga strategies ba, kasi talaga yung minsan nawawala sa teaching natin, yung pag-develop ng critical thinking. Instructional strategies for non-major, so sa senior high school at junior high. Empowering the socio-emotional learning or SEL. Ano po? So hanggang po itong 11 strategies for strategies for continuity of learning during emergency situation through flexible modalities. So minsan kailangan natin itong i-tackle kasi po lagi tayong may bagyo, lagi tayong may mga interruption of classes. So ito po, maganda itong strategies. Accelerating digital adoption of effective and accessible learning modality. Digital adoption, ang problema nito kung wala tayong gamit. Ano po? Strengthening instruction and assessment in ALS, enhanced delivery of guidance services by guidance designate and other emerging needs based on teachers individual professional development plan. So doon po ang ito mga suggestion lamang, tapos depende pa rin sa needs ng teacher. Ano po? So, all school division and school heads shall ensure the implementation of INSET accordance with the prescribed guidelines, providing appropriate professional development programs for all K-12 teachers based on their needs. So, ano po? So, meron dito kasi ito, ensure quality and preparation of delivery of the INSET. Refer to this titled Guidelines of the Conduct of Regional Schools Divisions Professional Development Programs through this link. So mayroon link, try ko siyang buksan. INSET may be organized and delivered either at the school level or division or district level or clustered. So pwede talaga palang clustered, ano? Pursuant sa memo. So meron dito nakalagay na kailangan daw to ensure effective implementation, all schools division through this SGOD RHDS shall submit consolidated INSET completion reports using the prescribed NIA format. So may format po dito, ano? NIA format before November 14. So kung ano man po yung naging INSET, ipapasa submit to dito ng schools division. So yan po, ito po ang ating guidelines sa ating pong INSET. Ano, bagamat naghihirit yung mga teacher na health break, ano, so wala pang sagot kung may health break ba or wala talagang sagot, kasi nakalaan na po daw itong duration nito for the INSET. Ano po? So yan lamang po, maraming salamat, and please follow and share po and subscribe to my YouTube channel.